In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clients or customers in Freshbooks. Whether you're just getting started with Freshbooks or simply looking to add a new client, I'll walk you through the steps you need to complete this task efficiently. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Clients section in Freshbooks. If you're accessing Freshbooks from a computer, you'll find this option directly in the left-hand menu. It's pretty straightforward. However, if you're using the mobile app, you'll need to select More first, and then tap on Clients. Don't worry, both methods are designed to be user-friendly and should feel quite familiar once you've done it a couple of times. Once there, look for the New Client button. Sometimes you might see a plus sign depending on your device or interface settings. They both do the same thing. Clicking this will open up a form for you to start entering your new client's information. Now it's time to dive into the details. You'll need to fill in the client's first and last name, as well as their company name. It's important to note that including at least one of these fields is required to create a new client profile. That said, the more information you include, the more comprehensive your records will be. After entering the basic information, move on to the Contact Details section. Here, you'll want to add the client's email and phone number. This part is crucial for communication purposes. Also, be sure to input any additional information, such as their physical address. Including comprehensive contact details not only helps in maintaining organized records, but also facilitates smoother communication for any billing or project-related questions in the future. Once you have your client's basic details and contact information in place, you'll want to configure any additional settings. Freshbooks allows you to set up things like automated payment reminders and late fees. You can also customize preferences for currency and language specific to that client. These settings can make managing your accounts much more streamlined, especially if you deal with international clients or have varied payment terms. Always review these settings to make sure they align with the specifics you've agreed upon with your client. Finally, after ensuring all the information is accurate and all settings are configured to your satisfaction, click on the Save button, generally located at the top right of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new client in Freshbooks. This straightforward process will help keep your client information organized and easily accessible, which is invaluable as your business grows. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.